Alright, now I gotta fight this thing and get out of this. Out of this. So, let's see how good it works. I'm gonna set you up a little bit better. I don't want to put you too close, so I have to slide it this way. Alright, come back up. I'm just trying to check to see what it looks like better. Damn wires in my way. Alright, let's see how this works by myself. Not working with it, dude. It's heavy alone. But it's still heavy. Yeah, it works better. It did. I don't know what that was, but it fell. Sound like a light bulb. I'll clutter you up. Yep. Getting there. Yay. Got it. Got it out. This is metal. This is glass. Like a glass window. Alright. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. See you later.